He made it.
Get up, bitch. Dude, you're fucking close.
Push the trampoline closer.
I can clear that easily.
Easily, I want
Push
to.
the trampoline closer that way because it went out when you.
Yeah.
Spider.
Like Eli's scared.
I would be scared too.
Push it towards the middle.
Eli, just go.
Hey, push this towards the middle.
Why is his shorts like that?
I don't wonder. Why are your shorts like that?
Eli, why are your shorts?
What does he do?
Push it towards the middle, dude.
Oh my God. Just go,
Push
cause.
it over, Zach.
It's fucking way out there now.
Push it out that way. You can't jump over like that.
Okay, it's going farther and farther
It's
out.
coming towards us and it's out.
Dude, I guarantee I can jump over that again.
Okay, do
No,
it.
No, you couldn't jump over that.
No, you can't.
Okay, can I stop this video?
You're videoing?
Yeah.
Did he not say to? Because he did.
Zach, why didn't you move it?
Okay.